Would you be my Valentine? Happy Valentine's Day season. It's time for another Valentine's Day recipe. This is a fun one. It's called Cupid's Clouds, and it's very light and fluffy, and it's supposed to be like you're eating a raspberry cloud. Gotta try it. Grab a bowl. 1 cup of whipping cream. A tablespoon of sugar. Half a teaspoon of vanilla. Let's whip that up. We want it to be nice and fluffy. It's nice and fluffy with stiff peaks. Let's set it aside. Now you need some frozen raspberries. Put 2 cups in a food processor. And a half cup of sugar. Time for processing. And you're gonna fold those in with a spatula. Spoon that into your serving vessel. Now serve right away or refrigerate until ready to serve. Cupid's Clouds. Wow, look at that, so airy. Very refreshing. Such a light treat. Perfect for a Valentine. And they're right, it does kind of taste like a raspberry cloud. This video is part of a Valentine's collaboration hosted by Angel McMillan and Rob Sumner. To see more videos celebrating Valentines, check out the playlist in my description. This Valentine's Day, I'm giving my sweetie something that'll take their breath away. A treadmill.